Yes, now let's look at this electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes in this video. Yes. Uh, yes, let's look at what is electrophilic substitution reaction before going to that of haloarenes. Right. So if you take benzene here, for example, this is an aromatic compound. This H plus is being replaced by an electrophile that is E plus in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst. See, what is an electrophile? Electrophile is nothing but electron loving, electron seeking. Phile means seeking here. So electron loving or electron seeking, which in other words, it means what? Electron deficient. Right. So this electron deficient, so it loves electrons, it wants electrons because it is deficient. So this H plus is being replaced by E plus is nothing but what is being substituted, electrophilic substitution. And when it is carried out in aromatic compounds, this is nothing but electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction where H plus is being replaced by E plus, resulting in the formation of this product in or with benzene. Let's look at this reaction for haloarenes. That means these are haloarenes where X, that is halogen, is present on the benzene ring. This is called as what? Haloarene. Right. So what about this haloarenes? Is its reactivity towards electrophilic substitution reactions is less or more than that of the benzene? Right. First of all, the haloarenes will undergo the usual electrophilic substitution reactions like that of benzene. So as benzene undergoes, the normal reactions like halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reaction, all these reactions are also taking place in haloarenes. But what about the reactivity? Is it less or more than benzene? Let's look at it. Right. Now, when we take this benzene, so what are the substitution reactions? Electrophilic substitution reactions are taking place here, right? We have already seen this. H plus is being replaced by E plus. Now, this is chlorobenzene. Now, I said that these chlorobenzene also undergo this electrophilic substitution reactions, that is ESR like benzene. But in order to understand the reactivity, whether it is more reactive or less reactive than benzene, let's look at a few points here. First of all, this Cl, if you look at it, there are lone pair of electrons on it. So they are in resonance with the pi electrons of the benzene ring, right? These are the resonance structures here. See, so we can write the following resonance structures for halobenzene, right? Halobenzene or haloarene, whatever. Right. What about this Cl? Cl, as you can see, is donating the electrons into the ring by means of what? Mesomeric effect. Right? It is donating the electrons into the ring by means of mesomeric effect, that is plus M effect. And this Cl is, you know that it's electronegative. Cl is more electronegative than carbon atom. So it can also withdraw the electrons from the ring by means of inductive effect, right? Minus I effect. So it can withdraw the electrons from the ring by means of minus I effect, and also the electrons which are present, the lone pair of electrons which are present on the chlorine will be in resonance with the ring, pi electrons of the ring by means of what effect? Plus M effect. So there are two effects which are operating here in the opposite directions, right? So but in the case of these haloarenes, inductive effect is stronger than mesomeric effect. Okay, only in the case of halobenzenes, but usually the mesomeric effect is stronger than the inductive effect. But in the case of haloarenes, inductive effect is stronger than the mesomeric effect. So overall, there is what? Net withdrawal of electrons from the ring, even though this is donating the electrons by means of mesomeric effect into the ring. So by means of inductive effect, it is withdrawing the electrons. So as inductive effect is stronger than the mesomeric effect, there is a net withdrawal of electrons from the ring. So overall, what is it is doing? It is deactivating the ring, because deactivating the ring. So Because it is withdrawing the electrons. See, whenever there is electrons which are present on the ring, it's easy for the electrophile to attack. The more positive charge on, the more negative charge on the ring, the more easily the E plus can attack, right? But when we are withdrawing the electrons from the ring, there is net withdrawal. What happens? It will deactivate the ring. Towards what? Towards electrophilic substitution reactions. That is why these halobenzenes, that is haloarenes, are less reactive than benzene. So less reactive, this is the reactivity. So benzene is more reactivity towards what? Electrophilic substitution reactions. Right. So there are little more drastic conditions are necessary for these reactions to occur. They do occur, but what little drastic conditions are necessary? Still, yeah. So only when required conditions are provided, a little more drastic conditions is electrophilic substitutions. Reactions do occur in haloarenes, right? And one more thing, where does this electrophilic substitution occur? Right. When we see here, the negative charge is present at ortho and para position. So for it's easy for the electrophile to come and attack at ortho and para positions rather than at meta positions, because at meta positions there is no negative charge in the resonance structures. If you see where it is localized, it is present at ortho and para positions. So even though it is deactivating, that means to a certain extent, there is a withdrawal, net withdrawal of the electrons. So it's deactivating the ring, but it is it directs the incoming group, that is incoming electrophile, towards orthopara position. So therefore, they are orthopara directors. But usually, when you look at it, here you can say that if there is electron donating groups will activate the ring, and they are orthopara directors. Okay, let me erase this. And electron withdrawing groups, that means withdraw the electrons from the ring, they deactivating the ring because they are withdrawing. They are deactivating the ring towards electrophilic substitution reactions, and they are meta directors. That means, but in the case of chlorobenzene, we can see that even though they are electron withdrawing groups, that means deactivating groups, slightly deactivating groups, they should be meta directors, but they are orthopara directors because of the reason here they are plus M and minus A effect groups here. Generally, the electron donating groups like OH, what will they do? They will donate the electrons into the ring. So, and there is no mesomer effect is stronger there. So they will the negative charge will be increased at ortho and the para position. So electrophile can attack at ortho and para position. So generally the electron donating groups are activating groups and ortho para directors like OH. Electron withdrawing groups like NO2 groups, they withdraw the electron density from the ring, and the meta position is is the position where the incoming electrophile will attack, because there there is no charge which is present at the meta position when compared to that of the ortho and para. There ortho and para will get the positive charge. That is why the meta is free, that will attack at the meta position. But here when you look at this chlorobenzene, even though they are ring deactivators, if they are ring deactivators they should be meta directors, but even though they are deactivators, they are ortho para directing groups because of the opposing effects of plus M and minus effects. So here we can say one thing. Here the reactivity is controlled by the controlled by means of inductive effect, and orientation is controlled by resonance effect. So inductive effect controls what? Reactivity. That means they will net withdrawal of the electrons, they are decreasing the reactivity. The reactivity is controlled by inductive effect, and orientation, where the incoming group should be directed, that means at ortho, para or meta, is controlled by means of what? Mesomeric effect. Right. So this is how we can say that the chlorobenzenes or haloarenes are less reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions than compared to that of the benzene here. Right. And what are the electrophilic substitution reactions which are occurring? The first one is halogenation, where chlorobenzene reacts with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3, which is acting as a catalyst here, Lewis acid catalyst. So resulting in the formation of ortho, that is 1,2-dichlorobenzene, or para-dichlorobenzene, that is 1,4-dichlorobenzene here. This is formed in major amounts based on the steric reasons here. This is formed in minor amounts. Yes. Let's look at the second reaction, that is a nitration here, where chlorobenzene reacts with HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, results in the formation of, again, two products here, ortho and para. So this is 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-nitrobenzene. This is 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene. This one will be minor based on steric reasons, and this one will be major. Right. Next is sulfonation reaction, where chlorobenzene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid on heating, results in the formation of ortho and para products. Again, 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This is minor and this is major. Next one is Friedel-Crafts reaction, alkylation and acylation here. So in alkylation, we are introducing the alkyl group at ortho and para positions by reacting with alkyl halide, for example, CH3Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which is a catalyst. So we are introducing what? Alkyl groups at ortho and para positions. 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene, 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. Again, this is minor, this is major. And Friedel-Crafts acylation, where we are introducing these COCH3 groups, that is COR at ortho and para positions. This is minor, the ortho product, and the para product will be major based on the steric reasons again. So we're introducing what? Acyl group, COCH3 here. So this is about the electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. I have made a separate video on the the orientation and the reactivity of these chlorobenzenes. That means why it is orthopara directing group, even though it is deactivating group. Yes, you can look at that video for further information. Right. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you want any video to be made on a particular topic, share it in the comment section. Thank you.